The member for Windsor-Tecumseh.
Well, good afternoon, Speaker, and welcome to this local newscast. Let's start off with a good news story. For the 8th time in the past 10 years, the town of Tecumseh has ranked within the top 10 of Canada's safest communities. Statistics Canada does the ranking, and for safe communities with more than 10,000 residents, Tecumseh is rated number 6 in the country. Essex County Warden Tom Bain is recovering from a nasty spill while jogging one of his racehorses. Warden Bain suffered 4 broken ribs, a crushed collarbone, and a broken bone in his back. Tom, we need you. Get well soon. And we're thinking of you up here at Queen's Park. And while we're thinking of the mayor and councillors in Leamington as well, Speaker, condolences go out to the family of Leamington councillor Rick Atkin. Rick died suddenly of natural causes last week, and we will miss him in our region. Tomorrow, as you know, is the National Day of Mourning. Too many workers continue to be killed on the job. We must do more to make workplace safety a priority in this province. Ceremonies highlighting this will be held across Ontario tomorrow. I'll be here and miss the one in Windsor, but later this year, I hope to introduce a private member's bill that will call for the lowering of flags at all schools, hospitals, municipal buildings, colleges, and universities on the day of mourning. And that, Speaker, is the latest news from Windsor-Tecumseh. Back to you in the anchor desk.